Welcome to Quick Test Professional. This demonstration presents Quick Test's log tracking capabilities. Quick Test log tracking helps you work with developers to pinpoint the cause of unexpected behavior in your application. The log information that is captured during the run can help you easily report more informative defects and help the developers to more easily analyze the root cause of a failure and fix it. Now we'll open a test that causes the tested application to generate events in the log framework, and we'll demonstrate how these events can be captured and added to the quick test run results. To work with the log tracking feature, we must configure both the test settings and the log framework for the application we are testing. Let's see how this is done. In the Test Settings dialog box, we go to the Log Tracking pane. The log tracking pane enables you to do several things. It enables you to configure your log framework to work with Quick Test, and it enables you to configure Quick Test to receive the log messages generated by your log framework and insert those messages into the run results. Let's see how it works. First, we need to select the Add Log Messages to Run Results checkbox to activate the log tracking feature. Next, we'll configure Quick Test to integrate with our log framework. In this area, we'll specify from where Quick Test receives the log messages, and we'll set the minimum log message level for which a node will be added to the run results. Finally, in the bottom area, we'll configure the log framework that sends log messages to Quick Test. Quick Test can do this for you automatically, or you can configure your log framework manually. Let's set up Quick Test to configure the log framework automatically. To do this, we select the Auto Configure Log Mechanism checkbox. Now we need to specify the location of the log framework configuration file and the minimum log message level to send to Quick Test. We'll also select the checkbox that tells Quick Test to restore the original log framework configuration file at the end of the run session. To learn more about configuring your log framework, refer to the Quick Test help. Now let's go back to our test and run it. The application that we're testing generates events in its log framework. During runtime, each button in the application generates a different type of log message. The log tracking pane of the Run Results viewer shows all the events that were captured and sent to Quick Test in the order in which they were received according to their timestamp. On the left side of the viewer, in the Run Results tree, we see that there is an entry or a node for each event that generated a log message at or above the minimum log message level we configured earlier. These nodes correlate directly with the messages in the log tracking pane. This enables you to easily navigate to the area that you would like to research. For example, we can click this node where a functional failure occurred and see the messages that were written to the logs at that point. Or conversely, we can click fatal or error messages in the logs and see which steps generated them. You can also easily search for and locate specific keywords in the logs by clicking the Find button. This movie highlighted the log tracking functionality that you can use to improve collaboration with developers and reduce the time it takes to analyze the root cause of functional failures. You can learn more about these and other Quick Test capabilities in the Quick Test Professional User's Guide.